Previously. You're slow. I'm not slow. It's been 3 weeks since the next generation Jackson Storm appeared. You want to know what happened next? Well, let's find out. I tell you what, Jackson Storm has certainly made an impact, Yoshi. We got 3 new next generation rookies in the field, with 3 veterans fired to clear the way. Molten Champ, how's our living legend today? Still very much alive, thank you. I'd appreciate, I can't believe I get to race the Lightning McQueen. It is farewell season for that. Well, what are you talking about? I'm 7-time Piston Cup champion, while you're just only 1-time rookie. Oh, whatever. Oh, free flag. Good luck out there, champ. We're gonna need it. Hey, watch it, man. 20 laps later. Looks like Jackson Storm is heading into the pit roads for a quick repair, followed by the legendary Lightning McQueen. Come on, Chuck, get me out there quick. Okay. Are you almost done? Okay, the last tire's done. Go, go, go. What a pit stop by McQueen. He has the lead now. But can he hold on? To it? Okay, you can go, Jackson. Okay. Hey, champ. Where's all your friends now? I have one of my friends behind me. Yeah, holding 3rd place for almost the entire time. I was holding 2nd place until you came up, for sure. I'm in 4th place right now. I'm in 5th. I'm in 6th. You are not winning this Piston Cup, Jackson. This is going to be my 16th Piston Cup. Oh, no, you don't. Sorry, McQueen, but you're out of here. What? No! Oh! No, McQueen, don't push! Push too! McQueen, your tire! Tire! Huh? Huh? Whoa, crap. Looks like McQueen blew a tire right there. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Lightning! Oh my, what the, how could that happen? No, McQueen! Come on. Oh my goodness. Wow, looks like your friend got really damaged up. What's your name again? Ralph Carlo. I'm Tim Treadless. I'm new Nitro Raid Racer. Okay. Ooh, it's okay, Mr. McQueen. I'm taking you to the hospital. You'll pay for this, Jackson. Okay. You're good to go. Wow. I really hope McQueen's actually okay. He got the worst of that crash. I need to fix this thing. Alright, everybody, the crash is okay. We'll get set and back up to racing. Just follow me into the caution position. To be continued.